In this video, I will be showing you how to change colors in Napkin AI. Let's get started. I'm working with a document detailing the customer journey, and I want to customize this diagram to fit my aesthetic. To modify specific elements, I first need to select the visual and click Ungroup. I'll confirm this in the dialog box, which grants me the flexibility to edit every component independently. Now that it's ungrouped, I can select the central awareness icon. I'll open the color palette and cycle through various shades, adjusting the brightness until I find a vibrant blue that emphasizes the starting point of the cycle. Next, I want the labels to be just as clear, so I'll click the advocacy text and update the font color. Moving on to the structural arrows, I'll select the path segment and apply a matching blue tone to keep the flow cohesive. For more advanced customization, I'll open the Custom Colors tool. This allows me to use the color picker to precisely find a deep, contrasting red shade. After fine-tuning the saturation, the visual looks much more polished and professional. I'll simply click away to review the final results. And there you have it. That's the complete process of changing colors in Napkin AI.